Lunar New Year is a holiday celebrated in many countries like China, Korea, Vietnam, and more. It's also called the Spring Festival in China. The word lunar comes from the word moon because this holiday follows the phases of the moon. It usually starts on the first new moon of the year and lasts for 15 days, ending with the first full moon. That's 15 days of fun and traditions. But did you know the preparations start before the celebrations? Before Lunar New Year begins, families do a big cleanup. They sweep, dust, and tidy everything. Cleaning is super important because it sweeps away bad luck from the old year and makes room for good luck in the new year. Day 1 is the first day of the Lunar New Year. Families gather to celebrate, and fireworks light up the sky to scare away bad luck. People wear new clothes, greet each other with good wishes, and kids get red envelopes filled with money for good fortune. Day 2 is all about visiting family and friends. Married daughters return to their parents' house to celebrate. People bring gifts and say nice things like Happy New Year and wishing you prosperity. Day 3 is a little different. It's believed that arguments or fights bring bad luck on this day, so people usually relax at home. Quiet time is good luck time. On days 4 and 5, people set up offerings and pray to the god of wealth. They also eat dumplings, which look like little gold treasures. Yum! Day 7 is called everyone's birthday. People eat noodles for long life and celebrate everyone getting a year older. Happy birthday to you and everyone. After spending time with close family in the first few days, these days are perfect for catching up with friends and visiting beautiful temples. Finally, Day 15 is the Lantern Festival. People light beautiful lanterns and set them free into the night sky. Kids carry lanterns and solve riddles written on them. It's such a magical way to end the celebration. And that's the Lunar New Year. It's all about spending time with family, enjoying delicious food, lighting up the sky with fireworks, and sharing wishes for a wonderful year ahead. Doesn't it sound amazing? Which part do you think would be the most fun to try? I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos.